Yeah.
She's jumping.
Sit down, honey. Yeah.
Good girl. Good jump.
Now can you sit? Nope. I'm too busy running.
She might sit on her blanket over there.
There's too much around here, Mom.
Honey, come this way.
Where are you going?
She wants to go get on stage. Watch.
Where are you going?
Fast. She is fast.
Yay!
You're gonna be a runner.
Yay! Isabel! Where are you going?
Look at her go.
Can't keep up with her. Hurry, Daddy, hurry.
I'd rather you run on the grass.
Come on! Yeah, that way if she face plants, we just have a grass stain on the cheek.
Yeah.
Come on, come this way. Let me grab her hand.
No. This way. Yay!
Come on.
Yeah, there's flowers.
Flowers? Yeah, flowers. What do flowers do? Do you smell them? Mmm, pretty flowers.